Welcome back to the toolbox, everybody. We found another, not necessarily unique, but we found a snap-on flex head ratchet at the pawn shop. It is a 2018, but it is the 1/4-inch drive head with a 3/8 drive anvil for, you know, certain areas that you can actually get one of these in there. And it's actually still pretty stiff, so it was maintained and seems to be in pretty good shape. Got it for I think $60 at the pawn shop this time. Not too bad. And as always, don't forget to be awesome. Bye, everybody.